Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another very special episode. We have a one done episode. We are here at the secret location of the one done, and let me tell you, you guys are not ready for today's episode. We should be pulling out the motor for the one done. Oh! What are you guys doing? We're pulling the motor out of the one done.
We're going to do skids at Burnout Performance.
Skids. Oh, okay. Let's go do skids. We need oil. We are actually at Quinana Performance, and I don't know how I got roped into this. I think we're going to pop some flames in the Womp for the boys at Quinana Performance, and maybe the Womp is going to do its first burnout. See, this is all completely legal. Waypole, I know you watch my videos. Don't at me. I'm kind of nervous. Oh God. I'm kind of nervous. I think I know roughly what I'm doing. We're just moving a car first. My God, that thing sounds mental. License plate, red rum. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so we've got the boys here. We are going to put some Dragon's Breath on. Hopefully this stuff should make it green. The exhaust is actually, like, the flames are blue, but maybe it'll turn green if we put enough on. Ben, do the honors.
Hopefully Dragon's Breath sponsor us.
Yeah. Give us some free green paste, Dragon's Breath. All right, so how do we apply this on?
Well, you get this little
scoopy
thing, then we just give it a little stir.
Lather it inside, hey?
Yeah, kind of like, you know.
If you have not seen Spotto's video where he actually installs the flame kit for my car when he was supposed to service it, make sure you check that out. It will be linked in the description box below. I hope the exhaust is warm. I don't actually know if it is, but we'll see how we go. Here we go, ready? They just get bigger and bigger, man.
All right, burnout.
I don't know how to do a burnout. Put accelerator and brake.
Tom, sit in the car.
Don't push too hard on the brake.
Tom, sit in the car.
Slowly let it go.
Tom, you got to sit in the car. Come on.
Put wheel chocks up in front, yeah.
Oh, yeah. We're not going to put wheel chocks under the car because I'm a professional.
All right, we are not putting these on.
Right before my first burnout, I'm nervous. That's basically it. Nervous and excited, scared.
Water?
Oil. We need oil.
No water either.
Cooking oil. Yeah, cooking oil.
Right, here we go. Oh my God! One bigger! Alright, back up a little bit. That lit up pretty well. Jesus Christ! Woo! Look at that go!
Yeah, boy! Yeah! Oh my God! Jeez! Oh my God, the rubber! Look at her!
How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. Look at this! Oh my God! Yeah, that'll come off. I just had her detailed.
New tire?
Hey, still new. I hope that looked cooler. A lot, like really cool. What do you guys think? First burnout? Not bad? Not too bad? I see you laughing there.
Oh, that was good.
Not bad. Jesus, is that all mine?
Yeah.
Ooh. You know what I'm looking at? I'm looking at money right there.
You just lost 10,000 Ks on your car.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Was it a good burnout? It looked cool from the inside.
I'm going to outdo you with my family wagon.
The family wagon? Yep. All right, I'm about to be outdone. I'm ready for this. There's still so much smoke in here. I have asthma.
Single pegger.
Single? Was it a single pegger? Oh, that's lame. First burnout. I feel like a new man. Yeah. Tire sponsors, hit me up. I swear they'll be used properly.
Richie pops his cherry at Kwinana Performance.
If you guys see me, don't at me, all right? Womp does burnouts.
Don't stand in front of me.
Rod's knocking.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Nice work.
Told you I'll beat you. Family wagon.
My God. Now it's time for red rum. And look at this thing.
It is wild. That is one of the best cars I've seen. I love my 1-tonners.
Remember, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I wanted to block my ears, but I couldn't.
How was your Saturday, Richie?
Pretty good. That scratched an itch in my brain that I didn't even know was there.
What?
What?
Yeah, what?
Oh my God. Damn. Kwinana Performance does it different.
Yep.
Jesus Christ.
On the weekend.
Just a random Saturday.
Yeah, mate.
Here we go. Ethan on his bike. The man on fire, look at him. He's smoking.
That was pretty good.
That's pretty good.
1,000.
1,000, is it? Damn. How'd that feel?
It's great.
Alright, tires are fine. Yeah,
It's good.
he's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a spark plug kit.
We need to tune it.
Yeah.
Smoke for a bike.
A few moments later.
You're going in this weapon in a minute. Alright, Richie? So don't shit yourself. If a 14-year-old boy can skid it, I dare say you can skid it.
I'm scared.
Well, I would be.
Oh yeah. Alright, tell me about it. What's been done?
Just I'm not a mechanic, so I can't say. So edit that.
Fair enough.
But you know, I got a big high-rise manifold on it, twin carbs, fuel injected, straight through pipes, no, straight out the extractors, and pretty much just
Exact same.
brake and just hit the loud pedal, brother.
Yeah.
And have some fun. If a
Screenshot it.
14-year-old boy, I'm sure Richie can do it.
Oh, don't. You give me too much credit. Okay, so apparently now I'm upgrading to that.
No water this
I think
time.
you can do it. You can do it.
My resume includes one car.
With chocks and water.
Yeah, with chocks and water.
This is no chocks and no water.
Do it.
If a 14-year-old can do it,
Yeah. If Cooper can do it, you can do it.
oh God. If I die, give my YouTube channel to the highest bidder.
Me.
Him, yeah, him. Right. All the way down, the first, and then first, wait, second. Just tapping it. Just do a tap, tap. I need to do tap. So get in the deck first, so all the way to here. Just stay there with him. Let me put the seat forward.
comp.
Get out of cop. All right, done. Tune in for the next episode.
Alright, oh yeah, we'll pass Wednesday.
Yeah, keys for next comp.
We'll pass Wednesday, you can take it out.
Yeah, all right.
It's already gone into the wall anyway, who cares?
All right, I can do that.
If my 14-year-old son can do it, you should be able to do it.
I mean, I can do it in a static area. I have to see. You'll never see so many walls hit. Yeah. I'm telling you that. I'll take bets on how many walls I hit. Go on, he's grabbed something. Winner!
It says V6, but it's alright.
Hey, winner of the burnouts, look at me! I'd like to thank my mum for being there. I'd like to thank Kwinana Performance for allowing me to skid, popping my cherry, my burnout cherry. I'd like to thank the Womp. And the one done sucks ass, I know. And Mangled. That thing was absolutely amazing.
Thanks, Tom.
Yeah. Thanks, Tom. Thanks everybody at Kwinana Performance. Thank you. Thank you, yeah. And thanks.
You're hot. Not me. Look at him.
Wow, that was yeah. So if you guys have a burnout car, you guys want me to sit in and do half-ass burnouts. We need sponsors.
We need sponsors. So
Yeah.
Come on. Tyres, motors, turbos. Fuel.
Yeah, fuel.
United. Come on.
Yeah, United. Oh my God, this is supposed to be a one-done episode.
More than one episode, mate.
Yeah, we hit many one-dones. Technically, I didn't lie. There you go. That is the episode done. I actually get to keep this. Thank you to the guys at Kwinana Performance for this. I actually get to keep this and take this home. It does say V6 class, but it is what it is. And that was a V8. Today was a great day. Now, I know I promised one-done content, and I mean, technically the one-done was here. We did make the one-done. We did hit Limmy many times, but this was in fact my first burnout, 2 of my first burnouts. Who would have thought that the Womp could actually do burnouts? That was pretty cool. Next episode hopefully should be us removing the engine out of the one-done, because like I said, plenty of good things are happening. I'm thinking high numbers, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I do appreciate all the love for all the new videos that we're putting out. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.